Well, welcome to Black Friday. It is Friday and I'm going to be painting with a black background, so it's Black Friday. Anyway, I'm going to do open cups. Not sure which one of these little bad boys I'm going to use. One's a 3 ounce, the other one's a 5. All of the colors are metallics. All of these are Arteza Pearls, and the brown ones are the new brand I'm trying, which is Metallica Paint Collection by Modern Masters. So these two beige ones and this one is a pearl. So those are the paints I'll be using. And we get the background down on here, get the black, and I'll be back and we'll do a little cupping. So stand by, we shall return. Okay, here we go. I got the black down, and I think I'm going to start here and maybe go like that. Or actually, I'm right-handed, so I think I'll start here and go like that. Either way, let me put down some little puddle to start with, and should be enough to get in trouble with, don't you think? Now the big question is, which one do I start out with? I'm going to use the big cup, and I'm going to start with a light blue, because I think if it does bubble, that'll look good against the black. So let's give it a try. Here we go. There's that one. I'm going to try a shot of the dark green. Yeah, I hope this turns out pretty today. I think I just got some on my face. Here's the other blue. And I'm going to tie a touch of this. I don't know if this is nickel or I don't know which color this one is. Pour that on top. And I think I'll try some white. Well, it's not really white. It's a pearlescent cream colored, I guess you'd call it. How about some more green? Well, I'm leaking out there, but I'm not leaking bubbly stuff, so that's too bad. I never know what I'm going to end up with anymore. Okay, I've got quite a bit there. I am going to, whoa. Okay, there's that. I'm going to pour some more over here. There's the darker green. There is the darker blue. I'll just pour all of that in there. Okay, there's one. How about the light? I haven't done a tan yet. Let me do this tan. Whatever, it's going to be different, it's going to be fun, because I said so. Ooh, this is lumpy. Maybe I didn't get that one soft, jeez, whatever, thin enough. That's a hard word, Richard, thin. Okay, ooh, dribbles. How about a light green? And what? And the light blue. Boy, I got one heck of a lot of paint for this little canvas. Oh, heck, use it all, Dicko. There you go. Dark brown. Oh, this is funny. This is great. Okay, let's use the rest of the white. Okay, you think we had enough paint here, guys? I do. Let's wipe the paint off my hand. That's what I get for touching the canvas. All right, here goes, whirligig. All right. Oh, you know what? Oh, gosh, I better put, I had some gloves on. Doing black is really nasty. What do I care? I was going to put some gloves on, but okay. Whoop, let's torch it. Now, the question remains, which way do I tip it? Down or this way? Well, let's find out which way it wants to roll. Ooh, it's heavy there. Let's bring it back to the center. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to blow it. I am going to blow it. Let me get my cups off of here, otherwise they'll go flying. Part of the flying Zambini circus. Okay, how about two at a time, Richard? Don't be shy, pal. I'm getting there, hold on. I'm getting there. Okay, now, do I want to go with, well, let's go with the big blower and follow up with probably the mini blower. I don't know. Colors are interesting. Okay, put it on cool, put it on low. Okay, let's let that percolate. This is not the most dynamic thing I've ever done, but it's, I'll see, it's going to dry maybe pretty because it's all pearly. Oops, missed a bubble there. So let's let, there we got it. Little frogs popping their head up out of the paint pond. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a bit and look at it upside down and sideways, and we'll just let that do its thing here for a little bit, and then we'll come back with a wrap-up video and call this a good Black Friday. Stand by, I'll be back. Alrighty, here we go. Here's the finished product. A little different. I don't know which way to look better, horizontal or vertical. We'll find out when it dries and I fiddle with it. I'll come in a little closer for the interesting mixture of the colors and what they did to play fantasy with your eyeballs. visualize different things. Yeah, the colors are kind of fun. They're very soft, not jumping out at you. Got a little bit of movement and action and fluffiness. So yeah, it's fun. It's a fun one. So I will leave it at that and bid you a good happy Black Friday, and we'll see you next time. It's all for now.